Hello, this is smartphone unlocking service of Japan. I will show you how to unlock LG smartphone of AU KDDI Japan. Supported model L05D, L06D, L01E, L02E, L04E, L05E, L01F, L01D, L02D, L06C, L07C, and the latest smartphone LG21, LGL22, LGL23. For now, I will show you how to unlock LGL22 of AU KDDI Japan. This is a IMEI unlocking code. Just insert the foreign SIM card, not the AU SIM card. Okay, I will power on my phone. As you can see, the network unlock pin is pop up, already displayed. If you don't have your foreign SIM card, to be able to input the IMEI unlock code, you need to go to phone dial and dial 2945 sharp asterisk 22 sharp. The SIM unlock process window will pop up. Now click the network lock. SIM network unlock pin. Just input here the unlock code to be able to use the foreign SIM card. Zero 9 6 4 4 2 0 6 4 4 0 9 3 2 2. That is my unlock code. Then click the unlock. As you can see, SIM network unlock successful. The phone will reboot itself. See, the network is NTT Docomo Smart Buddy. There's a signal. Enable. Just cancel. To setting. Networks. Mobile networks. Network mode. Just set to automatic. Now the phone is successfully unlocked. You can use this phone anywhere in the world. You can use worldwide. Okay. If you want to unlock your LG smartphone, just PM me your IMEI. You don't need to send your phone. Just mail your phone IMEI number, and I will mail you the network unlock code. Just contact me, PM me. You can leave message here at the smartphone unlocking service, or just post your comment. I will put my contact info on the description. Thank you. That's all.